Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to print an image in a Jupyter notebook. So first of all, for this you need to import a matplotlib library. So for that, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then take a one variable for storing that image, for read that image. Here image equal to plt dot imread. Here you have to specify the file name and file path. So for that, one image I have stored in my desktop. So go to this image property, copy this file path, and paste it here. Make all the backward slash to a forward slash. Then you have to give a that file name, and then you have to show that image. For that, I am show plt dot I am show and print that image. So here you can see the image. So thank you so much guys. We will meet you